Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my niece Morgan. She usually sleeps over 2 times a week. She was here Monday and Tuesday. She's only just gone home now. It's Wednesday morning. And she begged me for a set of nails. I haven't been doing any nails. That's why I haven't had any content or any videos, because I stopped doing nails just after Christmas because I just don't have the room. I had the desk in my dining room and it was just awful, with Charlie being 2 years old now. I did have a room divider, like a bamboo room divider, but he was still getting behind it and messing with all my stuff, so I couldn't do that anymore. So I've got rid of it. The desk is gone. No more. But I will hopefully do nails once he's at nursery, or when I've got a bit more spare time or some extra room. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so Morgan was here and she, as I said, begged me for a set of nails. So we did them from my dining room table. So here we're just removing all the dead skin off her nails. She hasn't had her nails done in a while. So there was quite a bit of build up on there, but I do enjoy doing this part. I decided to film me prepping the nails because when I do videos, I don't really do this. I usually skip this part out because I always think you might find it boring, but I actually do enjoy doing it, so I thought I'd leave it in this time. So once we've removed all that dead skin from around the cuticles, we're going in with our sanding band. We've just got a fine grit one here on about speed. I only have it on either 1 to 2. And we just use a light hand and we just buff over the nails with that to remove any of the shine. I have got Charlie here, by the way. Oh no! Oh, the adverts come on the telly. I've just tried to put some cars on the telly just to keep him quiet. He loves cars. Yes, we're just going to do that to all these nails here. So I'm just going to come in with this thin manicure file and I'm just going to file her free edge just to make it more neat for when they start to grow out. It's not all ugly and jaggedy underneath. So then I did apply some nail tips. I used the owl coffin tips, but I obviously didn't press record because I couldn't find it in my camera roll. So we're just going in with, once they've all stuck down and I cut them, we're just going back in with that sanding band. Every time I say sanding band, it doesn't sound right. It sounds like I'm saying it wrong. And we're just removing the wings off that, just making sure it's all lovely, smooth and flat. So we don't have any issues when we're applying our acrylic. So after doing that, we removed the dust and we dehydrated and primed the nails. Now we're just going straight in with our acrylic. We're using a new acrylic brand. We're using the colour Pinky Promise. It's our core acrylic powder. Absolutely stunning. It's kind of like a sheer pink. Yeah, that's the way to describe it. It's beautiful and it applies so lovely. It's so easy to blend and mold and apply. It's just beautiful, just how I like it. And I'm using my size 12, again, that's also new, our Dreamy brush in size 12. We have them in size 10, 12, 14 and 16. And I do really like the 16, but I didn't have it spare with me today. I had the 12. So yeah, I'm just going to leave you to watch me apply this. So once we've done both hands, we're then coming in with our e-file and we're just going to file and smooth over all those nails. I do enjoy doing this part. This is the filing with the hand file, with the nail drill, not hand file, is my favourite part for everything. Prepping the nails, removing the bulk, smoothing it out. It just makes everything come together, and yeah, I love it. I'm just using our fine carbide bit here. Love it. Flat top one, which is perfect for getting right into that cuticle. Obviously, there are ones that have safety, like a safety bit on the end. Is that what it's called? Safety bit? It's kind of like rounded and blunt, but I just love using the flat top bit. It's great for getting right behind that cuticle. I only use it obviously if you're confident using it. Again, so I'm going to apologise for the awful camera angle, but I was working on my dining room table. I was just trying my best. Anyway, so we're now going in with the dreaded French. Morgan always has French. I've never really known her to have like a solid colour. Not with me anyway. She's a Frenchy girl. She did want some hearts on them, but we decided against that. We're just stuck with a French. So we're using bright white and we're using our double-ended liner brush, the smaller end, the shorter end, sorry. And we're just going to apply our French dip. So I'll leave you to watch. So I'm just going to end this video here. I did apply some top coat, but I must have not pressed record again, or I don't know, it's cut out. But yeah, so we've done that, applied some oil, and we are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one soon. Bye.